As many as 50 people have died in storms over the past 3 days in Afghanistan, including 25 shepherds lost in a blizzard, a government disaster management official said on Monday. Also among the dead were 11 people killed in separate incidents and roof collapses and heavy rain in Kabul province, said Omar Mohammadi, a spokesman for the Afghanistan National Disaster Management Agency. Another 44 people were hurt in weather-related accidents. At least 239 people have been killed and 214 wounded during the past 2 months of heavy snow and rain in 22 provinces of Afghanistan, Mohammadi said. More than 520 houses were destroyed and about 420 damaged over the same period, he added.